Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have, it's a soft lighting kit. And we started doing some different filming in the kitchen, and we just need a little bit like more light and stuff in the background. So this was our solution. So let me open this up. And it actually has a thing on here not to use a knife, so be careful how deep and far you go in when you're opening this up, because it does come in pretty well taped. Okay. And to my surprise, it does have an inner case, so it's really cool. Get that box out of the way. So let's open this up. It's got a nice little handle thing on there. Dual zipper, so you can open this really wide. So that's basically everything that you get inside. Pull everything out. So it comes with the user manual, and it comes with this little, I'm not sure what's in here. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, okay. Good thing I opened it. So it comes with a set of gloves, and I'll show you what you use those for in a second. And then you get 2 boxes of these. And this is basically going to be your bulb that you're putting in there, soft bulb. So the gloves are more than likely for putting the bulbs in, so you can keep them, keep all your hand oils and stuff off of that. And you get, that's your 2 stand boxes. So open one at a time and we'll get these going. So that is your 1 stand. So this is pretty cool. Telescoping, so you can set to whatever height that you need. And then it's got a little fit down there, and then you can put them out just to kind of like the stable length. It's usually about that. You can go all the way down with these if you wanted to, but then it's kind of like a little more not as stable, but depending on your mounting area. So I usually like to try to make them just about as wide as I can, because they are going to go up. And put this on the floor. I'll give you an idea of, I'm about 5'8", so that's how tall that is. I'll open up the second one. So this is your second stand. And like this kit came with 2, so you can actually basically attack 2 different areas with light, so you really cancel out any type of shadow that you're going to have. And again, I like that I can adjust these to whatever configuration I need, wide, or if I need something a little more shallow, I could go like this, just because again, we're in our kitchen, so it's going to be on a tighter side. But again, these telescope all the way up. And give you an idea, I do have 2 different heights, because I do have the stands situated in 2 different configurations. So we'll just make these both the same height level. Then over here you get your soft box. So that opens up like that. And it's set up like an umbrella, so you want to push this down and it's going to lock in place, kind of like an umbrella does. So that's pretty neat. And you get a generous cord on this as well, which is the other important thing when you're setting up your lighting. because you never have enough cord, or long enough cord anyway, to reach all your different outlets. And then you have your on and off switch, so that's pretty basic. And then what we'll do is we'll put our glove on real quick and we'll mount that bulb in there. So that's to keep this whole surface nice and clean. Pulling your bulb out of the box. And then you have your little cover on the back of that bulb. And I'd hang out to those boxes just so you can make this portable. And that is your bulb mounted in there. We can take that glove off. Then this is going to be your softbox cover. So basically what you're doing is it has like these little pockets on it. So you are mounting that behind the ridge up here on either side. And you'll kind of see what I mean once you start doing that. And then we'll flip it up over on this side. Then we'll get the bottom. Then we'll mount this over here. And then it has Velcro on either side, so you basically are taking the Velcro and you're just lining it up on each point. And then you have an adjustment back here. And then that's going to be going on top of your lighting. So kind of like wind that out, and then it'll kind of find its place in there. And then we just tighten this out to lock it in place. Let me bring this down a little bit further so you can kind of see what's going on there. And then you can adjust your lighting. So I usually mount it probably about like 90 degrees. Depending on what you are filming, you can bring it up obviously higher. Lock it in, and then you can tilt this down to probably about like a 45-degree angle so you can get more of a subtle lighting view on that. So we are actually going to turn this like this. And plug this one in. And then you can kind of like see the light difference just one of these will make in our kitchen for filming. And I'm going to keep that one there for a quick second. Actually, I'm going to put the tripod down a little bit to make it a little more stable. And then we'll keep that one on for lighting effect. And then over here, we have our other box. It's cool, it's Velcro, so you can easily open that up. And then it opens up. And you are opening it kind of like an umbrella, putting that down in place. Put our glove back on and keep these bulbs nice and clean. Screw that little safety cap on there. Okay. This is our other soft white cover. And again, we'll just put over each edge. Down. This other edge out, Velcro that down. That's good. loosen this up. So we can adjust that, tighten that down. Put this one out. And again, we'll put this right on top. Tighten that down. Put this over in this corner. Oh, I already had that light on, but you can tell again, if I'm doing something like cooking or something that has to do with the kitchen, this is like the before, and that is your after effect on these lights. So it surrounds your kitchen with light. Anyhow, you can use them in the kitchen, your studio, wherever you want, and it puts your subject in a nice, clean light. But anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, this is your new lighting system. Be safe out there.